Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my video is about the subject of EVS, Environmental Studies. In EVS, we're gonna learn about the pollution. In pollution, the main type is called air pollution. Let's see deep into the air pollution in this. Let's see the introduction about the air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the air that can have negative effects on human health and environment. It is primarily caused by emissions from vehicles, industrial processes, and burning of fossil fuels. Controlling air pollution is crucial for ensuring clean air for all living organisms. Now let's see the types of air pollutants. Common air pollutants include particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds. Particulate matter can lead to respiratory issues and cardiovascular problems. Nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide contribute to acid rain and respiratory diseases. Now let's see the health effects of air pollution. Air pollution can exacerbate asthma and other respiratory conditions. Long-term exposure to pollutants can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer. Children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions are most vulnerable to the effects of air pollution. Now let's see the environmental impact of air pollution. Air pollution can harm ecosystems, leading to loss of biodiversity and damage to vegetation. Acid rain, a result of air pollution, can contaminate water sources and soil, affecting aquatic life and crops. Ozone depletion caused by air pollutants can have long-term consequences on the environment. Now let's see the sources of air pollution. Transportation, particularly vehicles running on fossil fuels, is a major source of air pollution. Industrial activities, including manufacturing and power generation, release pollutants into the air. Agricultural practices such as burning crops residues and using chemical fertilizers also contribute to air pollution. Control measures for air pollution. Implementing stricter emission standards for vehicles and industries can help reduce air pollution. Promoting the use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can decrease reliance on fossil fuels. Encouraging public transportation, carpooling, and cycling can help reduce emission from vehicles. Technology solutions for air pollution control. Installing pollution control devices such as scrubbers and catalytic converters can reduce emissions from industrial processes and vehicles. Developing cleaner fuels and technologies like electric vehicles can help lower air pollution levels. Monitoring air quality through sensors and satellites data can provide valuable information for targeted interventions. International efforts to address air pollution. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals include targets to reduce air pollution and improve air quality worldwide. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to combat climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emission. Collaborative efforts between countries and organizations are essential for effectively addressing air pollution on global scale. Local initiatives for air quality improvements. Cities can implement emission reduction programs such as vehicle emissions testing and restriction on high polluting vehicles. Building green infrastructure like green spaces and energy efficient buildings can help absorb pollutants and reduce emissions. Educating the public about the importance of air quality and promoting sustainable practices can foster community engagement in air pollution control. Policy and regulation for pollution control. Governments can enforce regulations on emissions, set air quality standards, and levy penalties for non-compliance. Developing air quality management plans and conducting regular monitoring can ensure timely interventions to improve air quality. Collaboration between governmental agencies, industry stakeholders, and environmental organizations is crucial for effective policy implementation. Public health interventions for air quality improvement. Health campaigns can raise awareness about the health risk of air pollution and provide guidance on protective measures. Healthcare professionals can offer advice on managing respiratory conditions and reducing exposure to air pollutants. Research on health effects of air pollution can inform public health policies and interventions for prevention and mitigation. Community engagement in air pollution control. Engaging communities in air quality monitoring and reporting can empower individuals can take action against air pollution. Supporting grassroots initiatives such as tree planting programs and cleanup campaigns can improve local air quality. Creating platforms for public participation in decision-making processes related to air pollution control can enhance accountability and transparency. Now let's see the education and awareness programs for air quality. Educational institutions can integrate air pollution topics into crucial to educate students about environmental public health impacts. Public awareness campaigns through media, social platforms, and community events can reach a wider audience and promote behavior change. Training programs for professionals in environmental management and air quality monitoring can enhance capacity for air pollution control efforts. Economic impact of air pollution. Air pollution can result in significant economic costs due to healthcare expenses, lost productivity, and damage to infrastructure. Investing in clean technologies and sustainable practices can create opportunities for green jobs and economic growth. Implementing pollution pricing mechanisms like carbon taxes can internalize the cost of pollution and incentivize emission reduction. Now let's see the future trends in air pollution controls. Advancements in technology such as artificial intelligence and remote sensing can improve air quality monitoring and modeling. Sustainable urban planning and transportation policies can reduce emissions and improve air quality in cities. International cooperation and innovation in clean energy solutions can accelerate progress towards a cleaner and healthier environment. Challenges and barriers in air pollution control. Limited enforcement capacity and resources can hinder the effective implementation of air quality regulations. Balancing economic development with environmental protection poses challenges for policymakers and industry stakeholders. Addressing cross-border air pollution issues requires coordinated efforts among neighboring countries and international cooperation. Let's see the call to action for air pollution control. Individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by using publication transport, conserving energy, and supporting clean energy initiatives. Business can adopt sustainable practices, invest in green technologies, and adhere to environmental regulations to reduce emissions. Governments and policymakers must prioritize air quality improvement, allocate resources for monitoring and enforcement, and engage stakeholders in collaborative efforts for air pollution control. Now let's see conclusion of the air pollution. Air pollution poses a significant threat to public health, the environment and the economy requiring urgent action to address its harmful effects. By implementing comprehensive air pollution control measures can protect human health, preserve ecosystems and create sustainable future for generations to come. Let's work together to reduce air pollution and ensure clean air for all. Thank you for watching my video.